Whoa.
I know who they built this for.
They tried. It's to
Nice.
Up.
Laufen lassen. Is to go
Yeah,
to
correct. Yeah, this is to go to land on top.
Whoa. Really?
You can,
No way.
yeah. So Emmanuel Pombo already did a few years ago, but I think he was pulled by a motorbike or something. And this was the guys with the 4x4 had been riding here, and there was a hole, so it was like it was not so easy to. There was no more lip, and it was not so easy to jump because there's a big hole that from here. So you had to do like a little 1 meter step up to go here. And this is yeah. I can dig up the old video. He was already doing it a few years ago. Yeah, landing up there.
Okay.
Then go back down. Nice step up.
No, I thought, where is she? She will send this? I will ask if you will send it. Whoa, incredible.
Oh, it's also a nice rope cap. Yeah, and actually you can now do it as